Greetings to you all in the name of Lord Jesus. I have come here to share a special message how to inherit what God has promised. This is what God has put in my heart to speak to all my viewers. So let us turn our Bibles to Hebrews chapter 5 verse 12. We do not want you to become lazy, but to imitate those who through faith and patience inherit what has been promised. How do you inherit what God has promised you? First thing, through faith and through patience. We may have patience that moves the mountains, but we also have to keep one thing in mind, that we must have patience upon God. With patience and with faith, we can inherit what God has kept for us. Wait patiently before the Lord and you will be blessed. Some people are there, they have faith that can move the mountains, wonderful. But if you do not have patience towards God's timing, Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11 says, every activity under heaven has its own destined time prescribed or appointed by God. You also have to keep this in mind, that there is a destined time for God to work in your life. Your faith will please God, that is definitely sure. And also, you have to wait in patience. Do not be discouraged if things are not happening, whatever God has promised. I am having so much faith, and my heart is filled with so much faith towards God. I am praying so much. I am declaring the promises from my heart. I have so much patience and faith towards God. You may have patience, you may have faith, but you have to wait. You may have faith that move the mountains. You may be praying warrior prayers, intercessory prayers, fasting prayers, well and good. The thing is, to receive, to inherit what God has promised you, faith along with patience must go hand in hand. Knowing that whatever God has promised you, you will inherit it in your life with faith and with patience. So do not be discouraged. I have been waiting for these blessings, for my financial breakthrough, for a marriage breakthrough, for my life to change from many years, and I have been praying with extraordinary faith in my life. But why things are not moving? It's not that God has not heard your prayers. It's not that your prayers are not reaching heaven. God has heard your prayers. Always when you pray, keep in your heart that, keep this thing in your heart, that God is hearing your prayers. Every word coming out of your mouth, God is hearing it and God is mindful of it. But have that patience. Blessed is the man who waits on the Lord. You must wait on the Lord, because God is an extraordinary planner in your life. God is an extraordinary planner in your life. Whatever is happening in your life, God is in complete control of your life. So don't lose hope. You can inherit, according to Hebrews chapter 5 verse 12, you can inherit in your life what God has promised through faith and through patience. And God bless you with extraordinary faith and patience for His time, and may you be greatly blessed. Thank you.